All right, Kansas City. All right, YouTube. Of course, I'm at a famous place that you should know of if you watch my channel. But today, I am here for Dollar Tacos. Not the Death Wings this time. It's Dollar Tacos. And it's not going to be the only video about tacos. But this the first spot that I'm going to show y'all as I make my rounds about tacos here in Kansas City. Let's go on up in here to Grinders, baby. Thursdays has just gotten a lot better. Dollar tacos, y'all. Just a little bit of warning ahead of time. I don't want no copyright strikes, so I may have to do a voiceover because they play music in here and YouTube is not down with the music. There you go, boss man. All right, now check them out. There they are in the flesh. I always ask for my salsa, well, tomatoes and stuff like that. But I ask for that, like sour cream and cheese and stuff like that on the side, so I can put it on myself.
That's almost $100 each. You got a lot going on. That's all I'm doing.
You gotta do breaks? The parking brake thing?
It's $279.99 per ass.
Yeah, I hear that part, but I'm saying it's the parking brakes talking about that? The parking brakes was saying
No,
something.
that's the thing on this. Oh no, I don't know how much they're gonna cost me. I'll find out tomorrow.
Well, it's probably acting up. Well,
I don't know.
it might be acting up because of the brakes, like you just said, though.
No, my brakes is good. I just was telling you how much.
Oh, how much it costs?
Yeah, her car. She got to made. Like I'm trying to keep everything on, right. And they messing with her. I told her I'll buy her a shot. No, I want to buy me. I want to buy me something.
Go ahead. Go ahead and check it out.
That's just beer. All that is beer.
They got margaritas. They got something in there.
I don't want no margarita. She don't want the yellow. She don't want it at all. I just want my liquor store.
I got what you need.
Rum and coke.
I got what you need.
You want a rum and coke? They got rum and coke.
Yeah, they got their house stuff too.
$10.
They should have a house stuff, but you still gotta ask. You never know.
Yeah, I'll ask when they come. No, I'm good. I'm gonna sit on this bar. I don't know a place that's cheaper than the spot. Look, the big silver phones in the damn dirty.
Hey y'all, these tacos are on point. You can't beat a dollar taco, and they pretty tasty. You know what I'm saying? Check them out Thursdays. Peace.